Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here we have x plus 9 bracket whole power 4 plus x plus 11 bracket whole power 4 and this is equals to 706. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. X plus 9 bracket power 4 plus x plus 11 bracket power 4, this is equals to 706. This x plus 9 is x plus 10 minus 1 bracket power 4 plus x plus 11 is x plus 10 plus 1 bracket power 4, this is equals to 706. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x plus 10, this is equals to a, and 1, this is equals to b, then this expression is x plus 10 is replaced by a minus 1 is replaced by b bracket power 4 plus x plus 10 is a plus 1 is replaced by b bracket power 4 and this is equals to 706. First we will write this expression in next page. A minus b bracket power 4 plus a plus b bracket power 4, this is equals to 706. We know that the algebraic identity of a minus b whole power 4 is a power 4 minus 4 a power 3 b plus 6 a square b square and then minus 4 a b power 3 plus b power 4, and algebraic identity of a plus b whole power 4 is a power 4 plus 4a power 3b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b power 3 plus b power 4, this is equals to 706. Here this expression is negative and this expression is positive, then both are cancelled out, and here minus 4ab power 3 is negative and plus 4ab power 3 is positive, this and this is cancelled out. Here a power 4 and here a power 4, this is 2 times a power 4. Here 6a square b square and here 6a square b square is 12a square b square. Here b power 4 and here b power 4, so here twice of b power 4, this is equals to 706. In left hand side 2 is a common factor, so if we take common 2, then 2a power 4 divided by 2, then here a power 4 plus 12a square b square divided by 2, then here 6a square b square plus 2b power 4 divided by 2, then here b power 4 bracket, and this is equals to 706. Now divide both side 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, and this 706 is divided by 2, then you will get 353. In left hand side a power 4 plus 6a square b square plus b power 4, and this is equals to 353. Now in left hand side a power 4 plus 6a square b square and then plus b power 4 plus b power 4, this is equals to 353. Look carefully, here value of b is 1, So first we will replace this b by 1. A power 4 plus 6a square, and b is replaced by 1 power 2 plus this b is replaced by 1 power 4, and this is equals to 353. A power 4 plus 6a square, 1 square is 1 and 1 is multiplied by 6a square, then you will get 6a square plus 1 power 4 is 1, and this is equals to 353. If we take all the expressions in same side, a power 4 plus 6a square plus 1 minus 353, this is equals to 0. A power 4 plus 6a square, this is plus 1 and here minus 353, this is minus 352, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, a power 4. We will write this a power 4 is a power 2 bracket power 2 plus 6 a power 2 minus 352, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute a square, this is equals to m. Then this expression is m square plus 6m minus 352, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation, m square plus 6m minus 352, this is equals to 0. This quadratic equation is factorizable. Here we will apply middle term split. M square, this 6m is same as 22m minus 16m minus 352, this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common m, then m square divided by m, then here m plus 22m divided by m, then here 22. And here if we take common minus 16, minus 16m divided by minus 16, then here m minus 352 divided by minus 16, then you will get plus 22, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side, m plus 22 and this m plus 22 is common. If we take common m plus 22, then here you will get m minus 16, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. This term is a and this term is b. If we apply this rule, then you can say m plus 22, this is equals to 0, or m minus 16, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to minus 22, or here value of m is equals to 16. We have two possible values of m. First value of m is equals to minus 22, and second value of m is equals to 16. And we know that m is a square. So this m is replaced by a square. This is equals to minus 22. And this m is also replaced by a square. And this is equals to 16. Now if we apply this rule, if a square this is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. If we apply this rule, then this a is equals to plus minus square root of minus 22, then a is equals to plus minus square root of this minus 22 is same as 22 times minus 1, and a is equals to plus minus this expression is same as square root of 22 times square root of minus 1. A is equals to plus minus square root of 22 times this square root of minus 1 is iota. And here if we apply this rule, then a is equals to plus minus square root of 16, a is equals to plus minus square root of 16 is 4 square. This square root is cancelled out by this square, then value of a is equals to plus minus 4. We have four possible values of a. First value of a is equals to plus square root of 22 times iota. Second value of a is equals to minus square root of 22 times iota. And third value of a is equals to plus 4. And fourth value of a is equals to minus 4. And we know that value of a is x plus 10. So this is replaced by x plus 10. This is equals to plus square root of 22 times iota. Here value of x is equals to minus 10 plus square root of 22 times iota. This is replaced by x plus 10. This is equals to minus square root of 22 times iota. Then value of x is equals to minus 10 minus square root of 22 times iota. Here this value of a is also replaced by x plus 10, and this is equals to plus 4. Then x is equals to 4 minus 10. Then x is equals to minus 6. Here a is replaced by x plus 10. This is equals to minus 4. Then x is equals to minus 4 minus 10. Then value of x is equals to minus 14. Here we have four solution. First solution, this is equals to minus 10 plus square root of 22 times iota. Second solution, x2, this is equals to minus 10 minus square root of 22 times iota. Third solution, x3, this is equals to minus 6. And fourth solution, x4, this is equals to minus 14. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.